Hey guys, Paul from Green Dragon Hydroponics. We're back for number 3 of building out our own grow space. In the first 2 episodes, we prepped the space, sanded, painted, filled all the cracks, and then in the second, we went over briefly electricity and how to run and some safety tips for running electricity. So we got our GFCI outlet installed inside the room. It's 15 amp outlet just for light duty stuff, but like I mentioned before, we're using a GFCI because in a space like this where you have foliar sprays and mists and things like that, you want to protect that outlet the best that you can. So today basically we're going to be going over lighting layout. The first item that we're going to be putting into this room is this T5 4-foot 6 tube T5 by AgroBrite. These are awesome T5s. I've used them a lot. They're really efficient and really bright, great for vegetative plants. So one thing about the space that we decided to do is leave the, like I said, this was an old walk-in cooler. So we're going to be leaving the refrigeration unit in here. And in order to utilize the space, we installed this wire rack where we'll hang this T5 right underneath. And then so we can keep our vegetative plants, we'll put it on yo-yos so that you can raise or lower the light depending on what the plant needs. Aside from that, I'll briefly go over a design layout for the rest of the space and how we can best utilize this space and this space over here too. So stick with me. I'll install this T5 and we'll get to the other stuff too. All right. Okay, so let's plug this in and see how we go. These yo-yos here, they're meant to hold light duty, so they're up to 26 pounds. So you can't hang heavy light fixtures from these. Nice thing about them though is once you tighten them down, these automatically raise. So if your plants are starting off as seedlings, all you have to do is go like this and it'll raise higher and then lock into place by itself. So let's raise this all the way up and turn it on and we'll see how well these work. All right, there it is. So like I said, these 6 tube fixtures, the nice thing about them is it has 2 switches on them. So first switch handles the inside 2 tubes. So if you have 6 or 8 plants, you can line them up and it'll work with that. And then the second switch does the outside 4, and that's when you have the whole space filled up. So yeah, other nice things about them, it's a daisy chainable feature. So if you hang more than one fixture or you have another light in the space, you can just plug it right into there and it'll work off of the same timer. So yeah, so that's our T5, and then we'll get to the other equipment in the store. So stick with us. All right, so here's an overhead design layout of the space. We're going to be working within a 9x7 wall-to-wall. Here obviously is the refrigeration unit and the T5 shelving and light. We'll be using, like I said, the seedlings and small vegetative plants, maybe up to 18 inches there. And then here is a 3x5 or 3x6 space that we can use for kind of medium-sized vegetative plants. Really excited to be working with a Optic One Veg LED. This is the new Cree Cob technology that's coming out in LEDs. That basically this is a 54 watt fixture that lays out a 3x3 in veg. That's pretty insane. Like savings on electricity you're going to get with that is hopefully the quality's there, the depth penetration, everything is what people are saying it is, because if it is, then we'll just buy a second and put it here and totally cover this 3x5 space. So from there, it'll be going, the plants will be maturing and going into a larger bloom space. This is obviously a full cycle room, so you're doing plants that can go from start to finish without the separate day and night or 18-hour, 12-hour cycles. So up here, this is a 4x7 space, which we have the ability to put a 4x6 flood table to catch any wastewater, because we don't have a drain in the room. So you can water your plants and then pump out the water. Makes it really convenient for day-to-day watering. As far as lighting options, there's a lot that we can consider. If money was no object, you could do LEDs, LECs, CMH. You could even put two 600s in there, or two 1000s if you wanted to kind of overkill. Because we're on a budget, we're going to be doing one 1000 watt light, which normally would cover a 4x4 space. We're going to I think the best option is to put it on a light mover, which allows the reflector to be to slowly move from side to side, covering this entire 4x7 space. So that's pretty much it for now. On the next video, we're going to be heading over to the store, and I want to show you exactly the reflector, ballast, and bulb options that we have there for that. And yeah, if you like this video, definitely hit the subscribe button or check us out on Facebook. Our website is greendragonhydroponics.com. All right, thanks a lot, and hope to see you on the next one.